The Xiaomi 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max have been a hit in China, in part due to the novelty of their rear displays. Unlike with the Mi 11 Ultra, it appears Xiaomi is sticking to its guns and plans to continue with the rear screen design. As reportedly confirmed by Xiaomi President Lu Weibing on a live stream, Xiaomi will continue with the development of the rear screens on next year's phones. The company's next-gen flagship phones will be branded as the Xiaomi 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max. Xiaomi plans to introduce more creative enhancements to the secondary display, likely in the form of expanded software features and improved interactivity. The rear screen could gain more functional control options, such as notification handling, camera viewfinder assistance, or contextual widgets. The Xiaomi 18 Pro Max will have a 6.9-inch flat Lipo OLED screen with extremely narrow symmetrical bezels. The Xiaomi 18 Pro Max is powered by Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 SoC, which will be made using a 2nm process, and may debut in September 2026. The rumor mill is expected to leak more details about the Xiaomi 18 lineup in the coming months. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.